The Beekman Managed Portfolio is a superb collection of high-end holiday resorts, offering a combination of lifestyle and luxury holiday home investments across Southern Africa's most popular holiday destinations. Our stunning property developments boast spectacular scenery, upmarket accommodation and exciting facilities, set on expansive grounds, inviting you to unwind in style and luxury. The Beekman Managed Portfolio is proudly part of the Beekman Group, one of Africa's leading players in the hospitality, tourism and property development markets. With over 50 years of success in the industry, you can rest assured that your ownership is backed by the best. When you purchase at one of our stunning properties, your BMP membership comes with exclusive benefits that enhance your ownership, in addition to your guaranteed annual holiday accommodation. You will also enjoy complete peace of mind, knowing that your resort's day-to-day operations and maintenance are professionally managed for you. You get free access to a host of on-site facilities and activities, as well as exclusive discounts to many of the paid facilities at our resorts. You have access to thousands of additional fabulous local and overseas resorts through our exchange partner. You will also have access to our dedicated travel desk to assist with your other travel needs, such as discounted car hire, flights and cruise bookings. BMP offers 3 different ownership options to consider. Timeshare ownership, where you're guaranteed a week-long holiday annually. Fractional ownership, for owners who want more luxury, giving you 4 weeks of access to our premier villas each year. Or sectional title ownership, where you're able to purchase an entire villa or suite, not only giving you and your family access to lifelong holidays, but also offering great returns on your investment. Life is short and the world is wide. What are you waiting for? Own the lifestyle today with Beekman Managed Portfolio.